Becky, did your mom get Sophie that mermaid?
Girls, where are we at?
Karen.
Huh?
Where did she find that?
Are we at the water park? Yeah? We're at a hotel.
What are we gonna do?
How cool is the hotel?
Swimming.
What?
Swimming.
You got it. What's up, Calvin?
He says, what is that?
That's a camera. How are you? Can you say hi?
Show him the other side.
Look at, you can see the girls. See, there's Claire. There's Madison. And there's Sophie. Where's Adam? Let's go look for Adam. There he is.
Hey!
Well, we're taking a nickel tour of the place.
Oh, yeah.
Can you say cheese?
Cheese.
You say cheese? Cheese. 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 All right, let's take a picture.
Girls, come on.
Mommy's what, 24 weeks?
Yep.
24 weeks pregnant?
And counting.
And what has she got in her mouth?
Thrush.
And how long has she been sick?
4 weeks.
With what?
Let's not talk about it.
Well, we got to remember it when we're
The flu.
55 years old.
Flu, upper respiratory infection, and pink eye,
Look at me.
and thrush.
That sounds terrible.
That's
So-
terrible. Move your feet out, Claire.
Look at me. Look at me.
The kids haven't had school in over 2 weeks because of the weather.
Yep.
So we had to get them out of the house and bring them to the Bavarian Inn.
Becky, get one.
Look at.
You dancing?
Show me your moves. So you got any moves?
Good job. You dance?
Calvin, let's see your moves.
So what is going on?
Do you remember
That's what my kids call a hot tub.
that guy, that man?
A hot pool?
Yeah, you're with your daddy. You're good.
See, nobody's freaking
I feel weird bringing this into like the pool, but.
I think you can go in the hot tub here, though. I think they have
Hey, are we going in the hot pool?
for
Sophie, are we going in the hot pool?
Raise your hand if you want to go in the hot pool.
I don't like this.
Dave,
No, it's
take
not
a picture
cool.
of that.
Okay.
Galvin, you want to go in the hot pool?
Here we are at the Bavarian Inn.
Yeah, getting our German on.
Gonna have some German wieners tonight.
Oh, God. Maybe a whole plate. Big, huge lager.
That sounds delicious, Amber.
Yeah. What's that door say? Fun center? Nope, keep going.
We're headed to the fun center.
Daddy, can you hold my hand?
Oh, you got it.
Go, Soph. You need help?
Holy cow, look how tall
Oh, my
it is.
hand so.
All right, we're going.
Oh, we're down there?
Careful walking those sandals.
Look at, there's the fun center.
Good luck. We're the fun center.
Is this the fun zone? Look at all these games. How cool is this? Look, they got like a little play set up there.
No, it does. It does.
Look at it, Adam's in a whack-a-mole.
Dad forgot his wallet. Come on, let's go swim.
Forgot his wallet.
He wants it and go get
Oh, there's the pool. One of them. There's a hot pool over there. Water slides and kiddie pool open at 8. What? Oh. Hopefully I didn't go under. Alright, we're almost to the top. No, we didn't flip. You stand right there. Okay, here we go. He's gonna let us go down. Hang on tight. Here we go. Woo! Lay back on daddy. Woo! Yeehaw! Woo! Oh, we're gonna go down. I got you, don't worry. I got ya. Look at, woo, that was fun. Woo-hoo-hoo. You want to do it again? Yeah. Look at me. Was that fun? Give me a thumbs up. Woo-hoo-hoo. You want to go do it again? What? Let's go do it again. Okay, show me. Ready? Here, hold it. Watch us while I throw it. Ready? Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
What?
I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do that? Okay, you don't have to. Ready? Go under and find me. 1, 2, 3, under. Swim. Go under. 1, 2, 3, go under. Did you go under? Show me how you go under. Let's go see mommy. We're in kid heaven. Look at all these games. Psychedelic. Oh my God. What do you think? Look at their spraying stuff. Here's a restaurant. Keep going by the putt-putt golf. Let's say keep going by this.
Yeah.
We're going to the waterfall pool. We'll have to play some putt-putt later. Look at that major putt-putt course.
How cool is that? That's purple, his favorite color.
Oh. Sophie, are you having fun?
Yeah.
We're going to the waterfall pool. I hear the waterfall. Yeah, let's go in. Right here. Let's go in, you clown. Look at that waterfall. Look at over here, girls. We'll just set our stuff in these chairs. 2, 3. You ready to go down the slide? There's mine. Here we go. Come on, keep going. Keep going. All the way to the top. We won't tap. Ready? Oh, look, he was going to help us get our tube ready. You'll sit on my legs, okay? I got ya. Yeehaw! Alright, we're gonna go down this little section. Was that fun? Alright, we gotta get out so the next guy can go. Was that fun? Was that fun? What do you want to do?
Throw me up in the air.
All right, turn around. 1, 2, 3. How was that?
Again.
All right, ready? Turn around. 1. Oh, you gotta watch him. We don't want to land on him. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. One, 2, 3. Count of 3. 1, 2, 3.